When I think of what we're doing with autoimmunity, I think of bowling. And the reason I think of bowling is because in bowling you have to hit the head pin to get a strike. And we could have mold issues, we could have dust, we could have plastics, we're all around that. We're all around pesticides, it's on the foods we eat. We could have cold sores and herpes, we could have issues with gluten, we could have mercury, we could have strep, Epstein-Barr virus. 96% of the population has been exposed to Epstein-Barr. So how do we sort out the antigen or the bad guy? We could run $10,000 worth of tests, but that would still just leave us these markers and not leave us a priority. And so we have to get the priority, so we let the brain give us the priority, and that's the beauty of the QNRT, quantum neural reset therapy reflex points, is they will let us have the priority from the brain. And so in this case, the priority is Candida. We have to hit Candida here with the bowling ball to make a strike and to win this game. And so you have to have the priority. You have to identify the priority. And once you do, the others, a lot of them will take care of themselves. Because when the brain gets unlocked and the immune system gets unlocked and they're on the same page and dealing with the head pin, lots of other things will make a strike. And the others will get taken care of. And that's what we see consistently over and over and over again. So if you're working with somebody and you don't have a way to identify the head pin, give our office a call and help us find that for you, and then help us eliminate that for you, because we'll work with the traumas that are relating to that head pin, in this case Candida, and then we will work with the Candida itself to pull that out of the body, and we work with them both together. It's like two magnets that are stuck together, and you can't shake one apart by itself, you can't shake the other part by itself, but when you take them both and pull them apart, things work great. And that's what we're seeing with the autoimmune care that we do. That's another perspective on it. Watch more of our videos. We've got a ton of videos on autoimmunity because it's a big part of our practice, because it's a big part of chronic health problems. And so many people with chronic health problems are autoimmune and don't realize it. And that's really what is causing their problem to be chronic, because there's greater breakdown than there is repair in an autoimmune condition. But it's often can get settled down and calmed down, and people do really well. There's another side of autoimmunity. Just look at some of our testimonial videos. For example, the video with Heather, who's now over a year with normal thyroid labs and no thyroid medication after dealing with Epstein-Barr. So once we hit the nail on the head and find the head pin, things can change big time. I'm Dr. Michael Winters, Winters Wellness, Chiropractic Redefined. Watch some more of our videos in the autoimmune playlist.